I've been analyzing Silverados for 15 years, and I know an engine builder who has been building motors for 25 years. He told me something important. There are three 5.3 years that I see very rarely coming back with problems. Three that run 400, 500,000 miles without an engine rebuild. If you own one of these three, you have engine rarity, an engine that professionals respect. Subscribe now and hit that bell. Every day at 8 p.m., new Silverado video. Comment your year with miles. Today, you're going to find out if you're part of the rare club. The engine builder sees everything, every type of motor, every type of problem. 5.3 from 2020, coming back with issues. 2015, with AFM problems. 2007, starting to get tired. But there are 3 years that are completely different. 3 years that reach 300,000, 400,000, 500,000 miles. Original motor, no rebuild, no oil consumption. Compression, still good. Why? Because those 3 years work. They're the last of the simple ones. Last before everything got complicated. You have one of these 3 years, you have absolute rarity. You have the golden closing of the simple era. While 2010 Plus has aggressive AFM, yours has smooth. While earlier years get tired, yours keeps running strong. You caught the last train of the perfect 5.3 era. Second year, 2014. If you own 2014, you caught the modern motor done right. GM launched a new motor that year, LT1, 5th generation 5.3, direct injection, advanced VVT, everything modern. The engine builder says something very strong. 2014 LT1 5.3, if I could have any modern Silverado motor, it would be that one. It's the rarest to have serious problems. Why does he say that? Because 2014 is the first year executed correctly. Direct injection applied carefully. Variable valve timing refined. AFM improved significantly. It's not an experiment, it's tested technology applied right. Your 2014 has everything modern. Better efficiency, good power, strong torque, but maintains reliability. It's the perfect balance. Modern, but not problematic. Engine builder sees a 2014 in the shop, he relaxes, knows it won't give him a headache. Oil, filters, basic maintenance. Nothing serious. 2014 owners know they caught the sweet spot. Modern, without drama. You have 2014, you have exactly what engine builders want. You have modern rarity. Advanced technology without advanced problems. That's rare. Third year, 2019. If you own 2019, you caught the mature Ecotec 3. The engine builder explains, 2019, 5th complete year of the Ecotec 3 generation. Everything tested, everything proven, everything refined, zero surprises. Your 2019 has the 5.3 at the absolute peak of the generation. 5 years of real data, 5 years of adjustments applied. Nothing is experimental, nothing is rushed, everything is proven. Mature direct injection, perfect VVT, AFM working as it should, refined electronic management. It's the peak of the modern generation, the best this generation produced. Engine builder sees a 2019, he knows. It'll run 300, 400,000 without serious problems. And there's more. 2019 is the last stable year before 2020 changed things. While 2020 has changes and adjustments, your 2019 is the last of the tested generation. Commercial fleets, look for 2019 specifically. Know it's reliable, know it's mature. You have 2019, you caught modern rarity, tested modern, not experimental modern. You have what everyone wants to have. Motor at its peak, proven motor. 2009, 2014, 2019. 3 5.3 years. 3 different generations. One thing in common? Engine rarity. The engine builder has been building motors for 25 years. He's seen everything. These 3 5.3s, always strong, always rare to have problems, always lasting. If you own one of these 3, you don't have a common motor. You have a motor that professionals respect, a motor that builders want to have. You're part of a special club of the rare engines, of those who chose right. Now, I want to know, which of the 3 do you have? Comment year with miles now. 2009? Comment. 2014? Comment. 2019? Comment. And if you have another 5.3 year that's also strong, comment too. Let's celebrate all the good motors. Like this video, share it with Silverado owners. Subscribe and hit that bell. Monday at 8 p.m., Transmission Tech reveals the elite transmission years. You don't have a common motor, you have rarity. See you Monday, Silverado family.